headed east on Cervantes now. We're going to get over to 12th Avenue and make a left-hand turn. And we'll try to drive us up through that part of town, and hopefully to see Pensacola's famous tree cave that's over there in this rainstorm, and see what kind of rain or flooding that we run into in that area part of town. Yeah. Here comes 12th Avenue. Make a left-hand turn over here. Traffic coming. Hell with them. Now, I suspect there's probably some pretty good flooding over here. There's the historic hospital over there where Ozone Pizza is actually down in the morgue. I think that's the old Baptist hospital, if I'm not mistaken. Got some flooding over here. Everybody's driving kind of slow, but I think if they make it through there, well, at least the Toyota in front of me, I should be able to do the same. Oh boy, it's getting deeper. Fisher and 12th Street. Truck's about to put a wave over me. Oh man. That's really not that deep, actually. This is the tree cave, just coming out of it, in Pensacola on 12th Avenue. We're going to be making a left-hand turn here back onto Fairfield. We're going to try to find our way home from the other end of Fairfield, and we'll see just how flooded she is. This is the other side of that flood that we saw over here on Fairfield a little while ago. And it's still been raining very, very hard. So it's still pretty messed up over here. Water is over the parking bump, so you figure it's a good 4 or 5 inches deep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened over there, but that looks like somebody didn't know where they were going. Didn't follow the road. And fell in a hole. Got a couple people here that I think discovered the little drainage canal that goes between the two businesses. Later on when this dries out, we'll have to have a look and see what was going on over here, but they got stuck. Unfortunate for them. This was where the truck was nosed in the other day during that severe rainstorm that we had. And over here, in this drainage ditch, right up there against those trees, is where somebody with an SUV tried to drive through here. Rather than going around the other side, they drove through because this was completely underwater. Probably, I would say, about a foot or so underwater, that you couldn't even see this grass and you couldn't even see the edge, the curb, nothing. So they probably got a good head start and then blunk, went right down in there. So that's the story with that one. But just to see just how deep that thing is, from where I'm standing, it's a good 8 feet down. And that SUV was packed on in there, so that's why that thing was so deep underwater. This is the way I was going to go home, because Fairfield's flooded. And, quite obviously, that's not going to work out. So we'll have to find an alternative way to get around here. Yeah, another car sunk over here. Better them than me. Yeah, another car sunk over here. Better them than me. There's a guy going through that puddle on a bicycle. It gives you an idea just how deep it was in the middle.